Take command of the road in the 2013 Mazda CX-9. A 3.7-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like power windows, mirrors, and seats, one-touch window functionality, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, high-intensity discharge headlights, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power liftgate, and a blind spot monitoring system. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Mazda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop in and take a test drive.